This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom Waters and less than bedroom greater than Gloria Waters. Cozy cottage, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, inside laundry and large backyard. New improvements, 2021, refrigerator, range, dishwasher in the galley kitchen, freshly painted interior and exterior, new hickory vinyl flooring throughout, new fascia and soffit. HVAC, 2017. Metal roof, 2013. Step out on the large patio, 26 by 18 and sit under a majestic oak tree and enjoy the shade. The patio was plumbed with the intention to add a bedroom and bathroom. Fenced backyard has room for adding a workshop, garden or pool. Great location. Just minutes to Booker High School, 0.2 miles, Robert Taylor Community Complex, 0.8 miles, Ringling College of Art and Design, 1.8 miles, Sarasota/Bradenton Airport, 2.6 miles, Downtown Sarasota, 2.8 miles and UTC Mall, 8.5 miles. No HOA fees.